Sorry about that. And apply some tape on it. So you just take it, take your end, take your other end. It's only gonna connect one way. I'm not being able to see it, just find out which way it can connect and stay. Do it like this. No, that's not it. You don't want to bend these things either. Nope. No. There we go. That should be it. Alright, let me see something. Alright, arrow to arrow. It connects. Take my electric tape, wrap around it to secure it. Let me grab it right quick. Take your little small piece. That just keeps it from coming off. All right, now that you got that done, you can actually play with it. If I were you, I put some off in there like so. My next step is take this bottom part, run on the sides right here, and take this and reconnect it. Sometimes you can get it from the bottom. Just start on it and work it. And there you go. It snaps back in by itself. But I want to show you how we're going to replace this in one of my other videos. So thank you for watching. Only thing I gotta do now is come through. This is the actual wire hanging down. I'm going to have enough ran behind here. You know, you want to make it look presentable. Behind here. Camera set up in a way you can see it. I gotta invest in the camera stand. Alright, but you fold a little bit like this. And you just tuck it till it falls down through where you need to be at. Feel for it. Pull it on through like so. Wrong end. Put it on through. Make sure everything's still good and tucked. Then you want to give yourself enough room to have in here so when you fold it, lay it up and down, you know, it's not going to go nowhere. You have plenty of room. It's not going to get caught up on anything either. So this right here, I'll take it this side, bring it all the way through. Sorry about that. My width. Got these, and then basically what you do, we're going to pull this up and run all through the sides. And while we at it, we'll just run my other cord that I got to it too, which is right here. We'll do it the same way because all of it needs to be going that way anyway. This is for the flip down. Alright. So, that's it for this video. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and move the chair back, tilt it back. And then like I said, I got these seat covers on for now because the seat is badly damaged. But we're gonna make a video because I actually found these pretty cheap, $75 for the whole entire seat cover. You know, and my foam still looks pretty good. It's not broken, it's not missing any. So I'm just gonna replace it. It comes with the covers. I'm going with Velcro because Velcro, just like leather, it lasts longer though. So let me let the seat back. Oh, just hit memory. Okay, and if you're in the back seat, that's what it looks like. Oh, this is torn. That's gonna get replaced. That's just a raggedy seat cover, but it's the 9-inch. And then whoever's in here, if they want to watch, you know, my kid sits back here, but I will put one on that side, so I have 2 in the headrest and that flip down back there. But depending on what you're into, you can plug your headphones up to it, or you can plug a game system up to it. Close it back up. And eventually it's stiff now. Eventually you keep open, it's gonna come down. Power button, all that, but it's not hooked up right now. But that's basically about it. So yeah, just bear with me, and we'll have this vehicle put together pretty soon. Okay, now we're gonna pop these off. Usually clip. Oh well, damn! Use a clip puller. Can't even talk today. Like so. Keep going down. Go on this side. And that comes off. What we're gonna do is gonna run the wires underneath it, like so. And then take our wires and tuck it all on this plastic trimming all the way through, and leave them right here. And this is where all our connections are gonna come through when you're gonna install the radio. This is kind of how you want it for now. Tuck it away. I'm gonna actually come back and have to order 3 sets of inputs. Well, not really. I could put the ties on them. They actually have like a joint connector. I have to use those, but I hate to because that's a lot of wiring. Make it more thicker. So I'll probably do that and have them right there in the carpet. I'll show you that later on. It's like connector pieces, so I'll need 6 of them. And then I'm gonna need on the back of the radio, I have to look. I think I need 6 of those also. Yeah, I believe so. All right, but no, because I'm gonna need 2 video inputs, 3 altogether, for the actual TV to show from the monitor. And then, like I said, we crossed that path. I have everything I need. I always have extra just in case. But you take this then, you take this trimming, put it back, make sure all the clips lined up. Do the first one. All right, that's in there. Second one. And before I get to this one, third one, I want to make sure I tuck this behind there. And then that's it. And once you slam it all into place, there you have it. You just have, and these are going to be here in our next video once we get ready to do the assembly and connection. But just make sure you just got this pulled out enough where if you go back with it, you don't want that wire to get caught. because it get caught on that track. The TV's messed up, and your chair can also get messed up. The way I do it, I guess you can tuck it all in here. That rotates. That what happens. Stays put. Let's see. That's it. So thank you for watching another Great Sounds and Custom channel. Stay tuned for more updates on this vehicle. I'm not going to show you guys how to do the other headrests because you see how to do one. So I'm going to do the other one. But my next video will be on either running your amp wires for your amplifier or the in-dash unit and running your GPS antenna and all that. So stay tuned. You guys have a great evening. GSC.